Hello everybody, it's Charlie's Trains. We got 5 trains going around at the same time. We have Santa Fe pulling beer cars around Kennerville, Ohio, Caps, Hams, Miller Lite, and Coors. We have the Pepsi Cola train set. Got a box car with Pepsi Cola and 3 gondola cars, 3 hopper cars and gondola car. We have Delaware and Hudson pulling Budweiser, Michelob, Busch Beer, Procter and Gamble pulling Jiffy Lube, Jiffy, Peanut Butter, Duncan Hines, Folger, Baker Dozen. Everything's looking great. And if you would, please subscribe to me on YouTube. It's Charlie's, where possibly has trains, and it's 9169. And I hope everybody has a great day, and thank you for watching.